Moving on to the sixth question, find the ratio of the following. Let's do the solution. First, we should know what is meant by ratio. The comparison of two quantities of same units is called ratio. Here we can observe that each bit has the quantities of same units. So we can find the ratio of each bit. First, take down the first one, that is 81 to 108. The required ratio is nothing but 81 is to 108, which can be written as 81 upon 108. This is equal to 81 can be written as 9 times 9 and 108 can be written as 12 times 9. This is equal to 12 in the numerator, 9 in the numerator and 9 in the denominator gets cancelled and we will get 9 upon 12. This in turn can be written as 3 times 3 upon 3 times 4, which is equal to 3 upon 4, since 3 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator gets cancelled. Therefore, required ratio is equal to 3 is to 4. Similarly, take down the second one, that is 98 to 63. Ratio is equal to 98 is to 63. This is equal to 98 upon 63. This can be written as 98 is 14 times 7 and 63 is 9 times 7. This is equal to 14 upon 9, since 7 in the numerator and 7 in the denominator gets cancelled. Therefore, required ratio is equal to 14 is to 9. Now, take down the C bit, that is 33 km to 121 km. The ratio is 33 km is to 121 km. This can also be written as 33 km upon 121 km. Here kilometer in the numerator and kilometer in the denominator gets cancelled and 33 can be written as 3 times 11 upon 121 can be written as 11 times 11. This is equal to 3 upon 11, since 11 in the numerator and 11 in the denominator gets cancelled. Therefore, required ratio is equal to 3 is to 11. Similarly, for the D bit, that is ratio between 30 minutes to 45 minutes, ratio is equal to 30 minutes is to 45 minutes. This can also be written as 30 minutes upon 45 minutes, which implies minutes in the numerator and minutes in the denominator gets cancelled and 30 can be written as 6 times 5 upon 45 can be written as 9 times 5, which is equal to 6 upon 9. Since 5 in the numerator and 5 in the denominator gets cancelled, and this can also be written as 3 times 2 upon 3 times 3, which gives 2 upon 3. Since 3 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator gets cancelled. Therefore, required ratio is 2 is to 3. Moving on to the seventh question, find the ratio of the following. Let's do the solution. First, we should know what is meant by ratio. Ratio, the comparison of two quantities of same units, is called ratio. Here we can observe that in each bit the two quantities given are not in same units. So first let us convert them into same units and then find the ratio. First take down the A bit, that is ratio between 30 minutes to 1.5 hours. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. This implies 0.5 hour is nothing but 30 minutes. Therefore, 1.5 hour is equal to 1 hour plus 0.5 hour, which gives 60 minutes plus 30 minutes. This implies 90 minutes. Now the two quantities are in same units. Therefore, we can find the ratio. Ratio is equal to 30 minutes is to 90 minutes. This can also be written as 30 minutes upon 90 minutes, which is equal to minutes in the numerator and minutes in the denominator gets cancelled, and 30 can be written as 30 times 1, that is, or 1 times 30, and 90 can be written as 30 times 3, which gives 1 upon 3, since 30 in the numerator and 30 in the denominator gets cancelled. Therefore, required ratio is equal to 1:3. Take down the second bit, that is ratio between 40 centimeter to 1.5 meter. Here the two quantities are not in same units, so we have to convert 1.5 meter into centimeters. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. This implies 0.5 meter is equal to 50 centimeter. This implies 1.5 meter is nothing but 1 meter plus 0.5 meter, which is equal to 100 centimeter plus 50 centimeter, which gives 150 centimeter. Therefore, ratio is equal to 40 centimeter is to 150 centimeter. This can also be written as 40 centimeter upon 150 centimeter. Here centimeter in the numerator and centimeter in the denominator gets cancelled, which gives 40 can be written as 4 times 10 upon 150 can be written as 15 times 10, which gives 4 upon 15, as 10 in the numerator and 10 in the denominator gets cancelled. Therefore, required ratio between 40 centimeter and 1.5 meter is equal to 4:15. Similarly, take down the C bit, that is ratio between 55 pies to ₹1. We know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. Therefore, ratio is equal to 55 pies is to 100 pies, which can be written as 55 upon 100. Since the units are same, they both get cancelled, and this can be written as 5 times 11 upon 5 times 20, which is equal to 11 upon 20, as 5 in the numerator and 5 in the denominator gets cancelled. Therefore, required ratio is equal to 11:20. Now take down the D bit, that is we have to find ratio between 500 ml to 2 liters. Here the two quantities are not in same units. So let us convert 2 liters into millimeters. That is, we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. This implies 2 liters is equal to 2 times 1000 ml, which gives 2000 ml. Therefore, ratio is equal to 500 ml is to 2000 ml, which can be written as 500 upon 2000. This is equal to 500 can be written as 1 time 500 upon 2000 can be written as 4 times 500, which gives 1 upon 4, as 500 in the numerator and 500 in the denominator gets cancelled. Therefore, required ratio is equal to 1:4.